Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to save all your photos as a PDF on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to save one photo or maybe multiple photos as a PDF, then let me show you how to do this. So first go ahead and open up Gallery. Now here, you go ahead and tap on Menu, then tap on Settings. Now you want to scroll down until you see About Gallery. And then you want to go ahead and tap multiple times on this version. Once you do this, something called Gallery Lab will be enabled. You'll see a message here. Go back, and if you scroll down, you'll see Gallery Labs. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Save as PDF. So here, this will allow you to make PDF files with images. So you can do this by tapping on Create, Save as PDF after selecting multiple images. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you want to go back to your gallery. Go ahead and select some images, tap Create, then tap on Save as PDF. This will ask you if you want to select the order. You can go ahead and tap on Reverse or Default. And now your PDF has been created. So there you go guys, that is how to create a PDF from your images on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.